Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 13.6. Here you will see the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. So first question is that the circumference of base cylinder is vessel is 132 and height is given there. So circumference is equal to 132 and then we know that formula of circumference, that is 2 pi r. So that 132. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 132. So r is equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 2 6 ja and then 2 6 ja 22 3 ja. So r is equal to, that will be 21 centimeter, and then h is given here. H is given that 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. So how many liter of water can hold? So that volume is equal to pi r square h. So that 22 upon 7 into r is 21 into 21 into 25. So that 7 3 ja 21. 7 3 ja 21. So that multiply of that thing, that will be 34650 centimeter cube. So that we need to find in liter also. So that will be 34.65 liter. When you will be convert centimeter cube in liter, then we will divide that by 1000. Second question. The inner diameter of a cylinder wooden pipe is 25 or outer is that 28. So inner diameter is equal to, that is 24. So that inner radius will be that half of that one, 12 centimeters. So okay, and then outer is diameter is 28. So outer diameter is equal to 28. So that r is equal to, that will be half of that one, centimeter, 14. And then h is equal to pipe, the length of pipe, it means h. So h is equal to, that is 35 centimeter. So that find the mass of pipe in 1 centimeter of wooden has decimal 6 gram. So that volume is equal to pi r square h. So that pi value is not given there. So 22 upon 7 into r is, we will write here pi h r square. So that h is 35 and then that will be here r square minus r square, because 2r is there. So that 14 square minus 12 square. So that 7 5 ja. So 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 11 into 1 time is add, 4 to 6, 26, multiply, 1 time is subtract. Okay. So 22, 26 2 ja 22 ja 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 2 ja 4, 5, 52, that 2 7 6, sorry 5. So that 5720, that centimeter cube. After that you will see mass is equal to that 5720 into decimal 6 gram. So that multiply of that will be that 3432 gram, and then if you will convert in kg, then that will be 3.432 kg. Now the question number 3rd. A soft drink is available in 2 pack. So that first part. A tin can, rectangular base, length, breadth, height is there. So that length is equal to 5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 4 centimeter, height is equal to 15 centimeter. So volume is equal to L into B into H is equal to 5 into 4 into 15, and then 5 to 20 or 5 15 to 30, that is centimeter cube. And then second part is that plastic cylinder with diameter is equal to 7. So diameter is equal to, that is 7 centimeter. So that R is equal to, that will be 7 upon 2 centimeter. And then H will be, H is given 10 centimeter. So volume is equal to, volume of cylinder we know that pi R square H. So that 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 10. So that 2 11 ja, 7 cancel by 7, 2 5 ja, and then 7 11 5 ja 75, 55. So 7 5 ja 35, 7 5 ja 35, 3 38 centimeter cube. And then after, which container is greater capacity and how much? Which container? Cylindrical container. Cylindrical container is equal to how much? That subtract 385 minus 300 is equal to 85 centimeter cube. 85 centimeter cube is greater. And then next, is question number 4th. If a lateral surface area of a cylinder is 9.2, so that lateral surface area is equal to, that is given 94.2 centimeter square, and height is equal to, that is 5 centimeter. Height is equal to 5 centimeter. Then find the radius of the base. So that first is that is the first part. So that lateral surface area of cylinder, we know that 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h is equal to 94.2, then 2 into 22 upon 7 into r into 5 equal to 94.2. So r is equal to 94.2 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 2 into 22. And then lateral surface of cylinder is 94.2 and its height is 5 centimeter. Then after radius is equal to, by the decimal, that will be 0. That 5 is left here. Sorry, 5 will become here. Two pi r h, lateral surface area of that one. And then by the cancellation of that one, how that will be cancellation? 2 4 ja, 2 7 ja, and 2, that is 94.2. Yes. Oh, that something is okay. Pi value is given here. Sorry, pi value is given here. That is 2 into 3.14 into r into h. Oh, sorry, r into 5. So that 94.2. So that r is equal to, that will be 94.2 upon 5 to the 10 decimal, that will become here 3 1 decimal. So that will be 3. So r is equal to, that is 3 centimeter. Second part is that volume. Volume is equal to, that is pi r square h. So that 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5. So that multiply of these things will be 1 41.3 centimeter cube. Question number 5, that is cost is given that cost is equal to rupees 2200, and then height is equal to, that is given 10 meter, and then rate is equal to 10 per meter square. So first part is that curve surface area. So curve surface area is equal to cost upon rate. So that cost is 2200 upon 10. 820 upon, that's sorry, not 10, that's a 20. That's a 20. 110 meter square. Second part is that radius of base. So CSA is equal to 2, that is we have find here already 110, and then CSA, and then we know that 2 pi r h is equal to 110. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r into that h is given here already 10, 110. So r is equal to 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10. That 0 cancel by 0, 11 2s. So that r is equal to, that will be by the cancellation 7 upon 4 is equal to, that will be 1.75 meter. Then volume is equal to pi r square h. So that 22 upon 7 into 1.75 into 1.75 into that 10, h is 10. So that 7 2 ja 14, 3 7 5 ja, and then the y multiply, that will be 96.25 meter cube. And then next question, sixth question is that the capacity of closed cylindrical vessel is that height is equal to 1 meter, and then volume is equal to, capacity means that is capacity is equal to, that is 4 liter, and then capacity we know that pi r square h is equal to, that is 0.0154 meter cube, because it's given in meter, so we'll convert this one also in meter. This is a closed cylinder hai. So that pi value is not given here, so 22 upon 7 into, that is r square into 1 is equal to 0.0154. So that's why it will be goes to here. So r square is equal to, that will be 0.0154 into 7 upon 22. So that by 22 that will be decimal 00, that will be 07. So r square is equal to, that is decimal 000, that will be multiply, that is a 7 7 ja 49. So r square by r square is equal to under root. So that under root will be that decimal 07 meter. Now that TSA, because close is this one, TSA is equal to, that is 2 pi r h plus r. So that 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.07 bracket h is 1 plus 0.07, and then 7.1 ja. So that 44 4.4 into multiply of these three, and then 1.07, and then by the multiply of that will be 0.4708 meter square. This is the total needed, that is a steel for making this one. Then question number 7. That question number 7 is that a lead pencil consists, everybody has seen the pencil, of cylinder of wood with the solid cylinder of graphite fill inside, interior. The diameter of pencil is that diameter of pencil is equal to, that is 7 mm. So that R will be, that this will be 3.5 mm, half of that one, and the diameter of the graphite is 1 mm. So diameter of graphite, that graphite is equal to, that is 1 mm. So that R will be, that will be decimal 5 mm, decimal 5 mm, and then height of pencil is, that is given 14. Height is equal to, that is 14 centimeter. So units are not same, so this one will be also convert in that mm. So that will be decimal 35 centimeter, this will be decimal 05 centimeter. So that find the volume of wood, that will be pi h r square minus r square. So that 20 pi value is not given, so 22 upon 7 into h is 14 bracket decimal 35 square minus decimal 05 square. So that 7 2 is 14, that is 44 into 1 time is add, so that will be decimal 4 into 1 time is subtract, so that will be decimal 3. So by the calculation of that will be 5.28 centimeter square. Now that volume of graphite is equal to pi r square h, that will be only this one pi. So that 22 upon 7 into decimal 05 into decimal 05 into, that is a 14. So that 2 is a, and then that multiply will be 5 2 is 7 2 is 14. So 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, and then that will be, it means approximately when we will divide multiply by that will be 0.11 centimeter square. Eighth question is that this is the value based type of question is this one, that eighth, a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter, that is 7 centimeter. So diameter is 7 centimeter. So that R will be 3.5, half of 7. If the bowl is filled with soup, height is 4 centimeter. So that height is equal to 4 centimeter. How much soup hospital to prepare daily for serve 250 patient? So soup is equal to that patient is 250 and then pi r square h. So 250 into 22 upon 7 into r is 3.5 into 3.5 into h is 4 decimal 5. So that multiply of that thing, that will be 3850 0.00, that will be centimeter cube, or convert in liter, then that will be 38.5 liter answer. Okay.